Okay, everybody, lie down on the floor and keep calm.
Hi guys, the following is just some information on how to use the old geometry nodes for Blender 2 inside of Blender 3, how to activate all that, and then how to export FBX files into Unity, and how to instantiate the actual geometry nodes, which I keep forgetting to do. Alright, because they've changed geometry nodes in Blender 3. Edit, Preferences, Interface. Make sure you got your developer extras on so you can get that experimental tab. And then in experimental, make sure you've got Geometry Nodes Legacy on. Then you'll be able to follow awesome tutorials such as this one, where they use geometry nodes, like in there. Now getting it into Unity is a bitch. While I'm here, I'll show you how I do that properly. When I export as an FBX file to Unity, obviously select whatever you want to do, but I make sure that FBX all minus Y forward. I'm pretty sure that's it. I don't usually tick that minus Y forward. Let me just double check that. Go away. Yeah, minus Y forward. See all these geometry nodes? Yeah, now we export it. Fucking worked. Pretty cool.